Alright. Top to bottom, I just want to make sure everyone's in. Amber, you in? Amber, you in?
Wait, no, wait, I'm not in.
You're not in.
We can just hit it, right? What's the bad thing about hitting it?
Yeah. The first one we can go fast.
Yo, this is a fireworks thing. Don't be trying to
I got it! I'm the best! Railgun! I missed. Okay, everyone gets 2. Everyone gets 2. I picked up 3. I picked up 3. What did I pick up? 4. I picked up 4. I picked up 4. Robin!
I'm coming.
We'll make it bigger.
Yeah, he made it bigger. Oh, an enemy spawned on him! Oh my god! Amp, you good, homie?
Nope. No, I'm not.
This might be riff.
Oh!
Alright. Ambo run! Ambo run! Ambo run!
We just died and we
Bail! Bail!
Okay. Alright. Who wants to hear a funny story?
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Oh fuck,
Oh
watch
my
out.
god, destroy.
I will not tell the story. When you're trying to be an aspiring streamer, do not tell stories. No one wants to hear them. This is what I've learned. I got collapsed.
Wait, Dobby, you died?
I got collapsed.
I got collapsed. That's what you.
Felix, you also collapsed. Shine. He had iframes. It's not fair.
I don't understand my new character.
I just saw 2 like beetles start to crawl out of the ground only to explode.
Money is worthless, by the way. So remember,
my god.
Oh damn. Ah.
Focus that focus.
I don't think that's a good arena for those bosses.
Remember, we heal on the ground later, but unfortunately we don't have
Alright.
much.
But there's 4.
And make sure you wait to put down the bubbles until they attack.
Oh fuck.
I'm hiding behind the pillar. It didn't work.
Oh, Amp, just got. Oh my god.
My word.
Wait.
There's no way.
Corbin's based. Corbin's based.
I'm okay.
Corbin's based.
Everybody died.
You can hide behind paper. It's okay. You can hide behind the shrines.
Paper, but it wasn't enough.
The paper wasn't real.
I saw Amp literally like get pushed and then just disappeared.
Oh.
He has a cheat button, I can see.
Yeah.
I can phase out of existence. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's also what's keeping me alive.
Oh shit.
Yeah. If Amp had held the bubble and not used it to stall it, then this fight would have gone so differently.
Also,
Oh my God, friend of the
also the focus fire was poor.
Oh no, please don't.
You're so alive. Oh my goodness, they're not a bit.
Unfortunately, we are still alive.
Put down turrets. Put down turrets.
Oh no!
I think going to the vault field wasn't a play, by the way.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
I mean, it was early, so that was why I was down to do it. All right.
Okay, we know what we're getting into now.
Yes.
Alright, try again. If I see an item on the ground, I might just go after it, and if it's the one you want, my bad.
Oh, goodbye. Goodbye.
Collapsing.
Wait, we got wild
Do you
card.
need healing?
Oh fuck, can't run away. It's going to hurt so much.
That's a lot.
Yeah. I do need healing, but I'm nowhere near you.
What the fuck? How are you over
Because volcanic egg. Ah!
We just leave everyone. Teleport zone, guys.
Holy shit, Neon!
Why is there a Dune Strider there?
You're so slow!
Neon, if you go into the cave, you'll be able to heal.
You're telling an introvert to go into a cramped elevator. That's what you're doing right now.
That is correct.
It is a ranged character. They do not want to be near, like, they do not want to be trapped in a cave.
Fair, it is where I died, but only because like an enemy like spawned on top.
Yeah.
Which one's the real one?
Oh, it's the one over there.
It's the one that...
Oh shit.
Oh, that one?
No.
Which one's the real Clay Dune Strider?
Yeah. That's what happened to me.
Over here. I'm building.
Okay.
I feel.
We can have
Are the monsters supposed to be black or are the textures?
Wait, what?
Damn.
Whoa.
They really said it.
No!
2 people streaming and they said it.
What is like mortar launching things at?
Bitches, that's what.
Hermit crabs.
Alright.
Oh, sorry.
I desire healing, please and thank you.
Amber is being the loot goblin I wish I could be.
What's up?
You want to know?
What? You hit one also?
I found one.
That's like the 4th one, by the way.
I know.
No, Amber!
We're going to fuck with
I'm watching Amber steal all the things I'm stealing.
They're spawning.
I might just hit it. Honestly.
Don't hit it. It's got 3 shrines of the mountain on it.
Okay, so we just won't hit it then.
I need more money.
Okay, go ahead and hit it. Whatever. Fuck man.
Oh no.
Are we good? Are we good?
Something fucking too up on me. I don't know. Are we good?
I mean, the answer is no, but like,
My
Ready?
guy's like straight died.
We'll never be good.
Alright.
I can't wait for yes. Oh boy.
Oh no.
we have Aurelianite. It's okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Everyone's dying.
Oh.
Mind frames to
This
what's
was a
happening.
mistake. There's so many of them. Holy crap. No. This was a mistake.
Yes, we can do
Happening
it. Just be
with my
safe.
frames.
It's 25 frames.
My-
By the way, yeah, that's what I was saying. We have Aurelianite, so if all else fails, just don't die.
Through the home
Uh-huh.
Ah yes, don't die.
I thought I was fine and it just popped up right under me and hit me like that.
I was ready to eat it, but it ate me instead.
Oh, I
Oh
knew.
shit.
I knew it was going to be over a little bit more. That's just.
Oh, I did too. Don't worry. Felix, use the tricorn.
Sorry?
Use the tricorn.
I'm dead.
Why didn't you use the tricorn?
I'm dead.
They're all echoed onto Fred now.
Because everyone's dead.
These regular magma worms have joined the fight.
Worms can't fly. You're safe.
Worms can't fly. They're just zooming around the sky.
Well, flying worms aren't real. They can't hurt me.
Alright.
One shot by this.
What did I die to?
Oh, that's so
Okay.
Flying worms
Oh, I
aren't
died
real.
to the blast
Still
contract.
climbing worms.
I have to say, I really like that.
It's funny.
Alright, ready up so we can like get back to 60 FPS.
Oh, that's actually super good.
Amber can now say ahoy. Amber, say ahoy. Ahoy. You should wait till you clear the void zone. If there's like one you really want, you can. Okay, it's gonna.
useless blue item.
Also, Alloy Worship Scheme is gonna drop 1 red for all of us. So only take 1.
But it's not telling me how many enemies are remaining in the void zone.
Remember I died?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Point in line.
You picked the wrong item. That was not
I'm sorry, excuse me?
I got sniped. I'm no longer in the game at this point because I just keep dying.
Ah!
Oh, well, what the...
We're gonna SCP. We're gonna just...
I also got sniped, I'm sorry. What the fuck? Yeah, I know. I lost my left click. No, my clover!
Oh, there's so many
What?
void enemies. What the fuck?
No.
What's whip whip?
Okay, so you know what the beats do, right?
Oh crap.
Oh my god.
I didn't hear you.
Everyone's flashing.
Oh.
I got mouse
One
guy.
claw killed me.
I see. Alright. Okay, head count. Who's in the game? Amber. Amber, you in the game? Yes or no?
Yes, I'm in the game.
Okay,
Wait,
and
no, I'm not in the game.
This is why I do this, by the way. This is why I do this. Get into like wave 4, Amber's like, wait, I'm not in the game. Okay. Cool.
Is Candace in the game?
Who's Steve Jobs? Okay.
Link him up all.
Alright, I am running to the bathroom super quickly. Do not ready up for me, also do not ready up for...
It's literally already readied up. It's literally already readied up.
Someone who readied up, please.
Someone readied up on the first second. Someone insta-locked.
See, I would still have enough time, but I'm like laughing too hard.
Nobody literally said don't ready up. It was already readied up.
Someone heard Tyler say, "I'll be right back in 1 minute," and said, "I sick." Fred, we got a eulogy earlier. I love that item. That item is a guilty pleasure if there ever was one. Because it stacks. Look, I left one. I'm taking this one too if no one wants it.
Wait,
Does anyone have any equipment yet?
That's not important.
Bitch,
Fred
I
does.
know, I
Fred,
have it.
take it. Take it, Fred.
Also, I
That
really
doesn't
want
matter.
I really want to do the void.
It's out of combat.
Yeah.
The out of combat cease existing.
Yeah, fair.
Hey. So I found the teleporter, but guess what else I found?
Oh wait, that's another one.
Wait, is that too many? I guess it's
Look, hang on. I will have you know it's never too many. I can't hit this one though. Someone help me clear this field. Okay. I just want I want to remind that I have Gesture of the Drowned. So when it says ahoy in chat like that, that's not me. Alright, I'm good for teleporter. We good?
Range of the thing that I dodged from. Why did it hit me? Because it's nice.
Wait,
Wait,
did you
Fred,
get
you died.
deleted?
Oh, this is a problem.
Wait, who hit the combat thing or whatever?
Alright, Fred. Volcanic Egg, Gesture of the Drowned. You ready for this shit?
I'm sure you want that.
I mean, the alternative is just saying ahoy a bunch.
One doesn't hurt you.
It doesn't hurt me as long as I play around it. And I'm playing a melee character, so like, I just gotta be ready to hit E.
What? I died?
the wax coil is making this hard to navigate.
Get used to it. It's actually really useful to get used to. Wait, Amber, why did you change your equipment?
Oh, did I?
Did you, or is it like...
I think it's bugged.
Well, what's your equipment on your screen, Amber?
Remote caffeinator?
Oh,
You did.
he did change it. Why?
Where?
What if I keep smashing the B button without brain?
I don't know where the.
Congrats, you got rid of your win button.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. Just never ever do it
What if
again.
what if it's
I think that's it right there.
Wait, it's right there.
Yay.
It's literally your win button.
I'm good at retracing things I've lost since I've lost many things.
Slash J slash not J.
Yes.
Oh, there's another challenge of the mountain. Should we pick it up?
Might as well. Amber still has forgive me please, right?
Yeah.
If Amber still has if Amber still has forgive me please, then bring on the whatever.
The team comp is Amber having forgive me please.
Yes.
Here's a win button.
The few runs ago that had 3. Also, behold, red printer.
Red printer.
Hard like that. It's not that good.
That's the shift, right?
Yes.
Yep.
If no one else wants it, I would like it.
I mean, it's a printer.
Oh, it's a printer, it's a printer. Who wants to give me a red?
No.
Oh, damn.
Oh no.
Amber, he meant me, not you.
I was trying. Where I died is where like crash terminal is.
Wait, you died?
You should have matched Q2 button.
Oh no.
No, it was like like.
Activate all the mountains.
Amber had one job.
I'm gonna think it. Oh, hell no.
I wasn't sure if he said hello or hell no.
Hello. Oh, why is that?
Loading worm spawn. Hello.
How are you holding up, Dobie?
I'm doing alright.
Okay, good.
At this point, it's not a question of if we should be trying to be, it's as if we can. It's a pride thing more than a logic thing.
There are so many key constructs around. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Dobie fell. It's gone.
We're good. No, we're good. We're good. Like I get like freeform mobility every 10 seconds. We're good. We're not good. Alright, teleport. Abort. Oh, hello.
If I just stay here, I think I'll be fine.
Tyler, if you survive, this is your chance to get back into the game. Just so you know.
Oh yeah, for sure. I just need to pick up every single.
I mean, we're not taking them. Okay. They are free game. Please take them if you see them.
I'm on fire right now. Yes, I am fire.
I am.
Oh, there you go. Finally.
It really is winning the game. Damn.
Yeah, I told you. This is the win button.
I think I heard it drop. I heard something drop.
There's many things that dropped, including Amber.
Fell off.
Focus ratio.
Hey, thanks so much for watching my video. The quality was really poor since it came from one-off live stream that I had zero plans to do anything with. I actually had a lot of fun that stream, so I decided to make it into a video. This is only the first half. I can't give an ETA for the second half though, because I've gotten busy again. This half took me 2 weeks without being busy, but might wind up being 2 to 3 months in all honesty. If you want a sneak peek, you can find it in my recent birthday stream. But be warned, the audio balance is really bad, hence the fluctuating levels in this video. With that said, editing this together has been more fun than I expected it to be, but I might try to look or record some stuff to upload down the line as well, especially since I'm not really streaming these days. Anything after the currently planned next video will be much higher quality in audio as well as having full screen video. With that said, if you've made it this far into the video despite the poor quality, just know that it means a lot to me. Feel free to like the video, as well as comment with what your favorite part was. Also, feel free to give me any fun builds I should try in a future video. I enjoy wacky stuff, such as multi with dual power saw or engineer with the walking toilets, so I'm open to any zany suggestions. Aside from that, If you want to stay up to date with all things me, you can subscribe here, click the funny little bell icon, and follow me on Twitter at Doby1, link in description. I don't tweet a lot, but I try to keep updated as things happen. Until next time, ciao.